Hello, my name is DutchCommando, and today, finally, after that long of wait, part 2 review of the VX220 frame. It has taken some time between the unboxing and building of the frame and the real flight testing of the frame, but if you want to know why and you don't know why, then there should be a link up there. As you might have noticed already, it doesn't really look like it came out of the box. No red standoffs and a nice yellow top. That's because I never ever leave anything stock. I just can't stand stock. I have to change it out. I like custom. All my quads are custom built, my airplanes are customized, my motorcycles are customized, my RC cars are customized. Everything is customized, so this too. But it still is the stock frame, and although it has some different shiny parts on it, it still flies the same as you would get it. It just looks a little bit different. It is more with red instead of yellow. Well, I'm rambling. Just let's take it out into the field and let's take it out for a flight. So here we are in the field in one of my favorite flying spots. I have several, but this one is always great for testing. Not too many trees and especially no people. So I've got time to test out the VX220 frame. Yes, finally. I've got a Runcam split in it, so I don't need the GoPro or Runcam 3 mount on top. So I left it off. I've done already some line of sight flying, and it's flying like on rails. Although I still have all the stock Betaflight PIDs. Only thing I changed now are the rates, because it's way too slow for my likings. So let's see what it does, alright?
Yeah. Now put your hands up, let the beat drop. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let the beat drop. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let the beat drop. Here's what a new IT, but a black geek when it's 23. Crank it up like hydraulic jacks, killing out 100 attacks on my starter cap. Now put your hands up, better keep them up. Regulator pockets ain't deep enough. I'm in first place like Usain Bolt. Them slip foot rappers ain't keeping up. Blasting out like fires, we in the groove like stylists. My style's not influenced, so I change my flow that lead in tightest. Now I wasn't with my riders, we catching up them titles. They worship us like idols, cause my vinyl it goes viral. Now put your hands up, step like a zombie, baby. If the game you too close, kick out like karate. I'm in the zone and I'm known to get a taste for it. Wait for it, better wait for it. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let the beat drop. Body time like mountain top, Greyhound coming out the starter box. We made it through the apocalypse, time to shut it down. So in the clips, no faking and no fronting, no biting and no flogging. I'm pro star, call me generosity, motorcycle, 2 sergeants. MC, that means move the crowd. VX to be booming loud. The roof is low, so air it out. This is so hard, make a mushroom cry. My favorite time, I'm evil, quite demonic. Supersonic, bionic, I'm laughing at these comics. They freaking out, soon as them new beats come out. Leading me to stay picking out, sounds like club that's leaking out. Running through circle with Jackie Chan, beat the drum like a one-man band. They falling over like dominoes, I'm technotronic, pump up the jam. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. Wait for it, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let the beat drop. Now put your hands up for the realest. Beats banging harder. Wait for it, here we come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let the beat drop.
So after a whole day of flying, I can give you a verdict of the VX220 frame. The only thing I've managed to break after some serious crashes is the little strut over here. I have expected to break this one when I hit a tree or something like that, but I hit it during a crash in reverse, so this broke and it saved my stack, I guess. But the frame is just, it's light, it's stiff, there's absolutely no flex in the frame. Yeah, there is now a little bit more because this is broken. It is really a piece you need to give it all the rigidity that it has. But the frame itself, besides that it looks great even without me pimping it, pimp my quad, it's a very nice frame. I've flown it with stock PIDs. I changed my rates to my own liking and it flies great. It's light, it's sturdy, it's beautiful, so what else do you want? I want it cheap, and it is cheap also. So I can't say anything more about this frame than what I said. Cheap, sturdy, great, I like it, that's it. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.